we are asked to find the derivative of 1 over square root of cosec square x minus 1. If you could remember, cosec, there's one identity that 1 plus cot square x is always cosec square x. Do you remember the identity? So which implies that cosec square x minus 1 is cot square x. So squaring both sides, meaning we are just asked to find 1 over cot x. So we are asked to find the derivative of this. So no need of wasting time. So the derivative, and you know 1 over cot x is tan x. So what we asked to find is just the derivative of tan x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. Our answer is B. So next question. We are asked to evaluate the derivative of this. You see that the derivative of 1, if you could remember, 1 plus tan squared is sec squared. Plus 1 over 1 plus cot square. 1 plus cot squared is cosec squared x. So we're using our identity. Again, sec squared. 1 over sec squared is cos squared, because sec is 1 over cos. So 1 over sec is cos. And also 1 over cosec squared is sine squared. So without wasting time, this is just also from our Pythagorean identity. Sine squared plus cos squared is 1. Sine squared plus cos squared is always 1. So the derivative of 1 is 0. So our answer is B. Our answer is B. If the area of a circle is increasing at the rate of 4 pi meter squared per second, at what rate is its radius changing when it is 8 meters? So they say if the area of a circle is increasing at the rate, so we have that dA over the rate dt is 4 pi meter per, that's meter square per second. That's the unit. So, and again they say that what rate is the radius? So we are asked to find dr over dt. We don't know. When it is 8 meters, that's radius is 8. When the radius is 8. So, but from area equals area of a circle, because this is a circle, area is always pi r squared. So let's differentiate the area in respect to the radius. So the a over the r, the a over the r is now 2 pi r. Differentiate, that's 2 times pi times r, 2 minus r. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, but we're asked to find the r over the t. Common sense will tell you that common sense will tell us that the a over the r is the same thing as the a over dt times dt over the r. Yes, check it now. Dt gone, so we are left with the a over the r. We are asked to find the r over dt, so which implies that, let's find the t over the r first, which implies that dt over the r is the a over the r divided by the a over dt. The a over the r is 2 pi r divided by dA over dt is 4 pi. So what we have is r over 2. R over 2. So, but we're asked to find the r over dt. Therefore, the r over dt is, you reciprocate 2 over r, which is now 2 over 8. Because r is 8, our answer is 1 over 4. So the rate is 1 over 4 meters per second. The answer is C. We have the expression as squared plus bs plus c equals 4 at x equals 1. If its derivative is 2x plus 1, what are the values of a, b, and c? Okay. If the derivative, okay, y, we are saying that y is ax squared plus bx plus c. They said if its derivative, so let's differentiate, is 2x plus 1. So we have dy over dx, because we always differentiate whatever that is here with respect to the variable here. So the variable y here is the variable here is x. So we have 2ax plus b, and they told us is 2x plus 1. So you can compare. What are you seeing? C plus C plus. Therefore, b is 1. As you can see, the constant here is 1. Again, c2x. So a must be a is also 1. I think you can see this 2x. So coefficient of 2x is 1. The coefficient of 2x here is a, so a is 1. So we found a and b. Finally, to find c, they say the expression equals 4 at x equals 1. So y equals 4 when x is 1. They told us that if you substitute x 1, this y, our expression which is y, equals 4. So 4, what we have here is 4 equals a plus b plus c. Remember, we found a and b. So we have 1 plus 1 plus c. Therefore, c is 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. So our answer is 112. The answer is D.